Alright, this lesson is on the intro to confidence interval. For a confidence interval, this is a set of numbers we believe the true parameter is in, and the confidence level is the percentage of the time this process will include the true parameter. So when they're asking for what a confidence level is, that means that so much percent of the time we will get the true parameter in the confidence interval, and the confidence interval is the list of data from a small value to a large value that we believe the data will be in. Alright, so the first one we're going to do is the X bar. We're going to measure how much liquid is in a can of Coke, and we get an average of 11.9 ounces, and the standard deviation for the entire population is 0.5, and we've measured 50 cans. So what we need to do is, first we know that this is going to be an approximately normal, as long as I say up here that this was a random sample. And we're going to say this is normal because 50 is greater than 30, which means we're allowed to use the central limit theorem. So we want the middle 95%. So the confidence interval is going to be X bar plus Z star times sigma over the square root of n. In this case we have 11.9 because we are two standard deviations because it's 95%. And then we got 0.5 over the square root of 50. This should be plus or minus. So when we actually compute the data, on the low end we get 11.76 when I do the minus. And when I do the plus, we're going to wind up with 12.04 for the plus. So we got our two answers, and so I am 95% confident that the true average of pop is between 11.76 and 12.04 ounces. Alright, let's say that sigma is 10 pounds and we're doing something that is normally distributed. So we don't have to worry about the central limit theorem because they already told us it's normally distributed. And this time we want a 90% confidence interval. So when we think about it, if we want the middle 90%, we want 5% over here and 5% over here so that we can get our middle 90%. So when I do inverse norm of either 0.05 or 0.95, I'm going to get the Z star that we need. And that turns out to be 1.644. So I got my average of 200 plus or minus 1.644, and then we got 10 over the square root of 20. On the low end, the average weight would have been 196.3 pounds, and on the upper end, we would have gotten an average of 203.7 pounds. And that was our quick introduction. Oh, I should put down, I am 90% confident that the average weight is between 196.3 and 203.7 pounds.